Hello from the Serapeum. So I am about to go inside and check out the Serapeum, but we're not allowed with action cameras, only allowed to film with mobile phone. So that's what I'll be bringing in. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm about to head in. There's a lot of buses here, a lot of tourists. But yeah, let's go check it out, tell you a little bit about the history, and see you on the outside. The Serapeum of Alexandria was an ancient temple built by Ptolemy III, who reigned from 246 to 222 BC. It is dedicated to the Greco-Egyptian god Serapis, who is deigned the protector of Alexandria. According to all detailed accounts, the Serapeum was the largest and the most magnificent of all temples in the Greek quarter of Alexandria. However, the site has been heavily plundered. Nothing now remains above ground except the enormous Pompey's pillar. Unfortunately, while I was visiting, Pompey's pillar was under restoration. Pompey's pillar is a Roman triumphal column and, despite its name, is believed to have actually been set up in honor of the Roman Emperor Diocletian between 298 and 302 AD, when he saved the city from famine. The giant Corinthian column originally supported a colossal statue of the emperor in armor. On either side of Pompey's pillar are Roman copies of the Great Sphinx in Giza, though of course much smaller. Both are made from pink granite and are of an earlier date than the pillar. At this ancient site, broken pillars and pottery can also be seen. I wandered around a bit more and was hoping to see the basalt statue of the Apis bull, but unfortunately, the site was also under restoration. I later found out the original bull was moved to the Greco-Roman Museum of Alexandria anyway. But while I was exploring, I did meet a very cute and helpful young man called Yasin, who was eager to show me around the site. So let's take a little tour with him.
I know you can't do a video right now because too much people, so you know.
بالظبط. مروحة الحمد لله. ايوه. فين البول؟ فين البول بالعربي؟ هنا؟
This way is infinity.
ايه؟
Infinity.
انفينيتي؟ يلا.
Let's go. Careful.
شكرا. ايه ده هنا؟ لا ولا حاجة.
You can't go. You can go.
بس حاجة هنا ولا لا؟ أشوف.
مش لازم.
I don't think there's anything back here. Yeah, it's just empty. مفيش.
Wait. Is it an infinity void? I see an infinity void.
Maybe we just need a flashlight.
I'm too short.
Well, for now. You'll get taller. Okay, so much energy.
Okay, you first.
شكرا.
I forget what is here. Wow.
There's supposed to be a bull,
Yeah.
I think.
I just think it's a ghost.
A bull. Like, yeah,
Yeah.
bull. I don't know how to say.
This thing is they was doing that. But wizard book.
Oh, like a statue or something.
Yeah.
Ah,
Statue, script of fire, script of ice.
okay.
They will
Little
too
okay.
much things.
Little tour guide.
Wow, a fan.
Yes, a fan. That is nice. Wasn't there a bull back here? Can you say that again? You want to be on
It
YouTube?
is so big and so scary. Like that.
Oh, but it's closed.
And he's black.
He's black. A black bull.
Yeah. When you enter, there is a shadow.
Uh-huh.
And the bull looking at you like that.
That sounds very scary. But it's closed now, so we can't see it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for taking me back here. Isma Gay?
My name is Yasin.
Huh?
Ismi Yasin.
Isit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yasin.
Yasit. Yasit.
Yasin.
Yasin. Ah, with noon. Yasin. تمام. فرصة سعيدة. أنا جيجي.
Nice to meet you, Gigi.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for showing me around.
Guys, subscribe this channel.
Oh,
It's so good.
so sweet. Aw. Okay, we're gonna head out of here. I guess we can't see the bull, but we tried.
That's sad.
And that is the Serapeum of Alexandria. As mentioned, not much remains of this once glorious site, but its history and remnants still remain, and it was an interesting place to briefly visit. A very special thank you to Yasin, who made my visit even more memorable. So thank you so much for showing me around, Yasin. And thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more, because I will be exploring more of Alexandria, both ancient and modern, to find what treasures this city holds. Until then, stay safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.